Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, we will learn how to fix if your Samsung Galaxy phone Smart View app is not working, not showing your wireless display device name here. So how to fix this irritating problem now in this video we'll learn this guys. Okay, so before using Smart View, your phone and your PC or any other wireless device was connected with the same Wi-Fi network. Okay, so remember one thing. So if you are not connected with same Wi-Fi network, the device name is not show you on your screen. Okay, so in case you are connected with same Wi-Fi network, afterwards you are facing this type of irritating problem, at that time you can try the next method. You need to enable the airplane mode on your phone one time, or flight mode, whatever option you have, just enable it and disable it. Okay, and then try to connect your phone. Now it will show your device name here. In case still you are facing same type of problem, now you can try the next method. If you are using any third-party Smart View app, wireless display app, so you need to uninstall it from your device. So sometime that app also create this kind of issues, so remove it from your phone and try to connect. Still in case you are facing same type of problem, you can try the next method. Open your phone settings, go to apps. From here you need to enable the show system app and tap on OK. Scroll down and find out the Smart View app. Open it like this and go to storage, and here guys you need to clear the cache and data of this app. Just tap on clear cache and clear data. Okay, and afterwards guys close this and restart your phone one time. After restarting, go to Smart View and connect it. That's it. Okay, so these are the easy and simple solution to fix this problem. So that's it for today guys. Hope you enjoy this video. If you enjoy, please guys like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.